Hello, and welcome back to Ready, Set, Viral. Today we're going to be talking about every life hack that a girl should know. But before we begin with today's topic, make sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos. Everyone wants to make their lives easier. Nobody actually likes to do one thing in a more complicated way if a perfect short or easy way is right in front of their nose. There's so many ways to do things in an easier way. There's hacks on YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok. There's channels and accounts just based on hacks. And by now, some of them have become ridiculous, but many of them are extremely helpful. So fortunately, there's also our channel, and today we prepared the best hacks that every girl needs. Today's video is all about the girls, because everybody agrees that girls' lives are far from simple. That's why we want to make it as easy as possible. But if you want a boys version, just tell us in the comments down below. We are recommending you, at the first hack of today, to not throw away your ripped clothes. There's always a way to make them look so much cooler by cutting even more of them. Don't be afraid to try. Just look how good this looks. Talking about clothes, it's always a pain when your white jeans get stained. You can easily remove stains so easily. You just need to get a can of Coke and pour it all over the stain. Of course, you're not gonna leave your pants covered in Coca-Cola, so all you have to do is put it directly into the laundry machine, use some laundry detergent, and this will make sure that the stain is fully removed. The Coca-Cola helps remove the stain and helps the laundry machine out a little bit. Are you afraid that your hat's going to fall off? Don't worry, all you need to do is use a clip. Attach the clip to your hat, put it right into your hair, and it won't be visible, and your hat will stay right in place. Let's say that by all of this crafting, your fingers stick together with super glue. Now, you won't have to rip your skin off just to freely move your fingers again. All you have to do is spill some nail polish remover on them, then slowly start to move your fingers. In the meantime, glue is going to be completely gone. How helpful! Have you ever felt like your hair does not have enough volume? Well, if you have fine or thin hair, trust me, we have the hack for you. If you have a bottle of Coke laying around, this is amazing for your hair. It will not necessarily wash your hair, so you're going to need to wash it afterwards, but it will give your hair a little bit more volume. Obviously, long-term use will not be good for your scalp and hair, but definitely use it in the short term and give it some body, some volume, and make your hair just that much better. If your skin becomes too sticky, especially during summer, we have a solution for you. All you need is some hand cream or deodorant, and that's it. You just have to apply it on your skin and it should prevent it from becoming sticky again. Have you ever done your nails and then when you're trying to do things after and it's not fully dry, you accidentally hit your nail on something and ruin it? I've done this too, and it was at a time when I didn't have nail polish remover, so I didn't know what to do. Well, if you are ever in the same situation, all you need is some soapy water and a lemon. Simply dip your hand in the soapy water, wipe off the nail polish after a few seconds, and then use the lemon to remove the rest. It's so simple and works just like nail polish remover. Then all you have to do is repaint it with the same color, and don't wreck it this time. In conclusion, these are some of the best tips and tricks, everyday hacks for every girl. Some of these are useful, especially during summer, so make sure to save this video somewhere on your phone so you can easily come back to it later if you're ever in a pickle. But that's all we have for you guys today. If you have any questions, make sure to ask them in the comments section down below. And I'd love to help you. We also have hundreds of hacks for girls, so if you want a part 2 to this video, let us know. If you enjoyed, be sure to drop a like and subscribe to the channel with post notifications on so that you don't miss out on this content. We'll see you guys next time. Until then, take care and watch the 2 videos that are on your screen. Trust me, you'll love them just as much. Bye now!